Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this math problem. 2 to the power 18 minus 1 is equal to, here we can write 2 to the power 9 times 2, because 9 times 2 is equal to 18 minus 1 is equal to, here we can apply this rule, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. Applying this rule here, we can write 2 to the power 9 whole power 2 minus 1, or 2 to the power 9 whole power 2 and 1 we can write 1 square, because 1 square are same as 1. Here we can apply this rule, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Applying this rule, we can write 2 to the power 9 plus 1 times 2 to the power 9 minus 1 is equal to, now we can know 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512. So we can write 512 plus 1 times 512 minus 1 is equal to, 512 plus 1 is equal to 513 times 512 minus 1 is equal to 511. Or we can write 500 plus 13 times 500 plus 11 is equal to, now we can use the FOIL math, so we can write 500 times 500 plus 500 times 13 plus 11 plus 13 times 11 is equal to, 500 times 500 is equal to 250,000 plus 500 times 11 plus 13 is equal to 24 plus 11 times 13 is equal to 143, or 250,000 plus 500 times 24 is equal to 12,000 plus 143 is equal to, now adding this we can final answer. So our final answer is 262,143. So this is our final answer. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.